in blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so what I'm going to be actually reviewing today, you guys, are these cool mermaid tail makeup brushes. So I got these on Amazon a few months back, and I got them I think I got all of these for $9.99. And I tried going on Amazon today because, like I said, I fell behind on filming. They raised up the prices on them. You know how much they are now? They are now $15. But fear not, my fellow friends. I have done researching for you, and I found where you can actually get these brushes for $9 and a whole set of eyeshadow blending brushes too that have the matching fishtails at the end. The only thing is, I think you only get 3 of these brushes instead of 1. So you're only really missing out on this angle brush, and this angle brush can be used for blush or contour or whatever. So you're really not missing out on that much. If anything, you're getting more because you're getting a whole bulk of what do you call it? Of eyeshadow blending brushes that are so cute, and it would make such a great gift because it's only $9. And if you have friends that love mermaids like me or maybe other friends, then you're gonna want to get them that set while the price is still at $9. It's in the link below, you guys, so I will be sure to link that out. And I'm going to be trying out these brushes for you guys so you guys can get an idea of what they do. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm actually going to start off with the Creme Shop face dots before I put any foundation on. My face is really not that oily, honestly, mainly in the T-zone, but these areas get so dry. So yeah, Creme Shop face drops, wonders. Next up, I'm going to use my Smashbox blurring face primer, one of my absolute favorite primers. I think I have 3 different primers, but this one's always my favorite, girlfriend. I don't know. It's just my favorite primer. I absolutely adore it. Also, Smashbox is cruelty-free, FYI. I only use cruelty-free things on my channels. Save the animals. I love the animals. So yeah, I'm just letting you know. I only use cruelty-free. And if the reason why I may not be using cruelty-free for some odd, out of this world, dark holes, galaxy, and planet is probably because I haven't got rid of it yet. I'm trying to get rid of all my makeup that's not cruelty free, but Smashbox is cruelty free, FYI. And oh yeah, and the Creme Shop too, so don't get me on that, okay? Okay, and the foundation I'm going to be using is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear in the color shade 1.1. Okay, so I'm first going to start off with the foundation brush, and we are going to see how this works. I'm going to see how the foundation brush works because I tried it and I didn't put enough foundation, so there it is. Now I have enough foundation going on here. And it's giving me a very smooth coverage. I feel like I could do my foundation super fast with this. Oh my goodness! I've been waiting to freaking use these brushes, you guys. Wow. I'm really liking this coverage. The brush is nice and flat and dense, and it moves to your face shape. That is different, and that is so cool. What made me want to buy these? I don't know. I like that they had the fishtails at the end, so I'm like, I need those. Look at that. I could just go around my hairline. Oh my goodness. I love that they're so mobile. Okay, so that is one basic layer. And as you could see before, I didn't put too much, so now I'm going to start building it up. I normally don't build up my foundations. I'm just kind of doing this so you guys can see how it builds up. Oh my goodness. And it does, okay, so when I'm blending it down, it's not taking off other foundation. Let's do it on this side. The reason why I'm doing the top part of my cheeks, FYI, because those are the reddest parts of my face. And I'm kind of like seeing, do I need to like pat, like you can even use patting motions, kind of like a beauty blender, to get that nice even look. Yeah, so that is how this foundation Mermaid tail brush did. I'm gonna give it that. I'm gonna give this a strong heck yes. Loving it. Doing my happy dance. Doing my happy dance, happy dance. Oh yeah, happy dance. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it with concealer. I had to think about that for a minute because my brain went somewhere else. Okay. Ooh. This thing just popped out. And this right here, this concealer, you guys, I'm just kind of like trying it out. This is the Winky Lux sample concealer that you saw on my last video. So I'm kind of just giving it a shot, see what I think about it, you know, like with a brush. And I just, oh my goodness, you guys. I am loving how this brush is applying this concealer. Like, I feel like my other concealer brush didn't do such a good job, but this one is doing an amazing job. Yeah. It did a great job just compared to this side to this side. What a difference. Okay, so yes, you guys, foundation brush, fishtail, you're a freaking winner. This, you might be seeing me do more often in my videos using this fishtail foundation brush. Okay guys, so the next up we're going to try the Mermaid Tail contour brush now. Okay, so I'm taking my Too Faced chocolate bronzer. I'm going to be swatching that in there. And let's try one side of the cheek. Kind of just patting that in. Ooh, look at it, give me a nice solid line and we can blend it in. Ooh, it gives me a very nice blend. Whoa. Very nice blend. I'm liking that. Okay, now let's try the edge of our nose. Yes. Okay, other side. I reloaded, by the way. The brush. Okay, now we have this side of the cheek done. Let's do this side. Wow, it blends it in so good because it's so dense. Oh my gosh, you guys. A winner, 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 chicken dinner. Like, yes. Loving this contour brush, you guys. It's freaking amazing because it's so dense. Okay, now trying out the other, basically, I'm going to call this the blush brush, or you can use it as a contour brush, whichever you like. I'm going to take my IBY Beauty blush in Foxtrout. You know, let's see. I kind of like just pat it in and let's see if it blends. Oh, wow. Oof, okay. So, I probably would not use this for blush because of the way it's angled. On the package, I believe it said that it was a blush brush, but I think it probably would be better suited like for a contour brush maybe. I mean, you can, but I dipped like the whole thing in there. That was my bad. So we're gonna fix this. Don't worry, we are gonna just blend this out. So let's say you here's a quick tip, you guys. Let's say you over blush. So like on this side, it's obviously over blushed by a whole lot compared to this side right here, okay? So what we're gonna do is go take your foundation brush and go back over that piece. And then that's what and then if you notice, here's this side and then here's that side. It's fixed. So yeah, if you guys didn't know that trick right there, you just take what's left over of your foundation and you re-go over it if you for some reason over blushed like me over here, Miss Clumsy Pants. Okay guys, so while I was fixing my face, I had a brilliant idea with this brush. Like, you could probably use the edge of this brush for a highlighting, and then you can flip it over and then just use the tip of this brush right here for a blush brush. I don't know, maybe it might work for you, who knows? Like, that's just an idea though. Okay, so now trying out the Mermaid powder brush using my Creme Shop face powder that smells absolutely freaking amazing. It smells like birthday cake, and you can also find this brand, you guys, at Target, FYI, and it's very inexpensive, and it's one of the most amazing face powders I have ever used in my lifetime. And I'm a high makeup end user, but this face powder has really impressed me. I normally don't set my face in face powder, but we are going to do it today because we're trying out these brushes. Just look at this side right here to this side. Shine, no shine. Oh my goodness. This, I love how mobile it is, that you can just mold it right under your eyes, go right into your eye socket, get those hard to reach areas, the edges of the nose, between the eyebrows. That's one thing I really like about this brush, you guys, or these brushes, that they are so easy to just work around your face. And here it is, you guys. Here is the final look with just doing your basic makeup with these amazing Mermaid fishtail brushes. Let me know what you guys, how you thought it came out. Like, I know these makeup brushes are different, but I honestly give them an A+. I think they did an amazing job with the foundation, despite me messing up on my blush. So yeah, you guys, if you liked this video, if you thought these brushes were interesting, cool, unique, please leave me a comment below. And of course, please subscribe for the love of mermaids and the ocean. If you love the ocean and it's all its beautiful sea critters, and you know, the mermaids that are a mystery maybe, then please subscribe to my channel. I love the ocean. Fun fact about me, I know there's some people that fear the ocean, but I just love it. I just love the fact about that we don't know very much about it, and it's so majestic and beautiful. And so yeah, you guys, that's kind of like why I got these cool mermaid tail brushes right here. I just thought they were unique, they were different, and something that, you know, will make you stand out from the rest of the makeup artists that use traditional brushes. But yeah, anyhow, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate all of your support, and I will see you all on my next one, okay? Bye!